Hi, my name is Indy and I'm from the Garden Club. Today I will be cooking kale chips and talking about kale. Now let's go to the garden and see where the kale is. Oh, we're down in the garden now, and as you can see, we have over here our beautiful vegetables that are growing.
Yep.
And then here we have our new garden bed that's growing very well, and all the bees are coming over to make it healthy. Over here we have one variety of kale, and it's very, very green and beautiful. See this? All you do is you just pull it off gently, and then you have beautiful pieces of kale. And I am going to slowly pick at least maybe 10 pieces. So here we go. You just do it gently so it doesn't fully pull off and you've got a good big piece. First of all, you put baking paper on top inside of your tray. And then you place gently around the tray all your beautiful kale. This kale is very healthy from the garden that we're growing. So yeah. I'm going to gently just place them around everywhere. And as you can see, we've got oil here. Olive oil is a good thing to use for it. And you just put it on top to cover the kale. Now after that, you just put some delicious salt on, so it turns really salty and nice. Or it's just, if you like salty ones, just put lots of salt on. If you don't, okay. And here's a tip: if you really want yours really crunchy, you have to put lots of oil on to cover all of the kale chips. Now I'm going to put the kale chips in the oven at 180. So you just leave them in until they crisp up for about 15 minutes. Now that the kale chips are cooked, we can smell them. And it's time to enjoy them and eat them. So take a bite, people. Delicious. What do you rate me?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. They look like they enjoyed it.